Dear students, now we are starting with an important topic, colligative properties from the chapter Solutions. What are colligative properties? Colligative properties may be defined as the properties of the solution which depend only on the number of solute particles but not on the nature of solute. Means depend only on the molar concentration of the solute. Four important colligative properties are: first, relative lowering in vapor pressure; second, elevation in boiling point; third, depression in freezing point; and fourth, osmotic pressure. Now we are starting with first colligative property, relative lowering in vapor pressure. Let XA be the mole fraction of the solvent, XB be the mole fraction of the solute, PA naught be the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Now the vapor pressure of the solution, that is equal to vapor pressure of the solvent. The vapor pressure of the solution will be only due to the solvent. According to the Raoult's law, vapor pressure of the solvent, that is equal to product of vapor pressure of the pure solvent and its mole fraction. XA is the mole fraction of the solvent is always less than 1. And the vapor pressure of the solvent is always less than vapor pressure of the pure solvent. यहाँ से हमें पता लग गया lowering in vapor pressure, that is delta PA is equal to PA naught minus PA, because of the vapor pressure of the solvent is less than vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Put the value of the PA naught minus PA naught into XA. Common ले लो, PA naught 1 minus XA. Now we have studied that XA plus XB is equal to 1. XB is equal to 1 minus XA. यहाँ से हमें पता लग गया भी the mole fraction of the solvent is less than 1. PA naught into XB. That is the lowering in vapor pressure. Now delta PA divided by PA naught is equal to XB. Delta PA, that is equal to PA naught minus PA divided by PA naught is equal to XB. This one is the expression for relative lowering in vapor pressure. Now question is, relative lowering in vapor pressure, why it is known as colligative property? Now the colligative property which depend only upon the number of moles of solute particles. It means Pa naught minus Pa divided by Pa naught is equal to Xb. The mole fraction of the solute, the number of moles of solute divided by total number of mole of the solute and solvent. It means this one depends only upon the number of moles of solute particle. It is a colligative property. Understand? Now, next, determination of molar mass of the solute. Starting with the expression Pa naught minus Pa divided by Pa naught is equal to Xb, that is equal to number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles of solute and solvent. Now Nb is equal to weight of solute divided by molecular mass. Similarly, Wa upon Ma, Wb upon Mb, that is equal to Pa naught minus Pa divided by Pa naught. Now, if Nb is very small as compared to Na, then Nb can be neglected. If this one is neglected, this one portion also be neglected. Now Pa naught minus Pa divided by Pa naught is equal to Wb upon Mb into Ma upon Wa. Now we have to calculate molecular mass of the solute, that is equal to Wb into Ma divided by this one expression, ये नीचे आ जाएगा, Pa naught minus Pa divided by Pa naught into Wa. This one is the expression for calculation of molar mass of the solute. Now, numerical based on the relative lowering in vapor pressure. जब हम numerical करते हैं तो हमें clear हो जाता है सारा. The numerical is the vapor pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is 0.850 bar. Now, the vapor pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is 0.850 bar. A non-volatile solute, non-electrolyte solid weighing 0.50 gram is added to 39 gram of benzene. Benzene, यहाँ पे हमें बेंजीन दिया हुआ है, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है C6H6. इसका मोलर मास 78 ग्राम पर मोल दिया हुआ है. द वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सोल्यूशन देन इज 0.845 bar. What is the molar mass of the solid substance? नाउ द सोल्यूशन मैंने इसका निकाला हुआ है सोल्यूशन. फर्स्ट, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द मोलर मास ऑफ द बेंजीन. कार्बन का वेट होता है 12, हाइड्रोजन का 1, 72 प्लस 6, 78 ग्राम पर मोल. समझ आ गया? न्यूमेरिकल शुरू करते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द राउट्स लॉ हमने ये एक्सप्रेशन फाइंड आउट किया था, पी ए नॉट माइनस पी ए डिवाइडेड बाई पी ए नॉट इज इक्वल टू एक्स बी. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ द एक्स बी, डब्ल्यू बी इंटू एम ए डिवाइडेड बाई एम बी इंटू डब्ल्यू ए. नाउ पहले देख लो भी गिवन क्या है. गिवन वैल्यूज हैं वेट ऑफ सल्यूट. वेट ऑफ सल्यूट कितना दिया हुआ है? 0.50 ग्राम. वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट 39 ग्राम. वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट ये दिया हुआ है 0.845 बार. और वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द प्योर बेंजीन, प्योर सॉल्वेंट 0.850 बार. मॉलिक्यूलर मास सॉल्वेंट का कितना है? 78 ग्राम पर मोल. ये वैल्यूज गिवन है. ये वैल्यूज हम यहां पे पुट कर देंगे. पी ए नॉट कितना है? 0.850. पी ए 0.845 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.850. पी नॉट की वैल्यू पुट कर दी इज इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू बी कितना है? 0.50. मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट ये दिया हुआ है 78 ग्राम पर मोल. हमने फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? मोलर मास ऑफ द सल्यूट एम बी. वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कितना दिया हुआ है? 39. ये हमने सॉल्व किया 0.005 आ गया डिवाइडेड बाय 0.850 इज इक्वल टू 0.50 इंटू 78 डिवाइडेड बाय एम बी इंटू 39. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. एम बी दैट इज इक्वल टू, ये इधर चला गया 0.850 इंटू 0.50 इंटू 78 डिवाइडेड बाय ये नीचे आ गया 0.005 इंटू 39. जब इसको सॉल्व किया तो हमारा मोलर मास कितना आ गया? 170 ग्राम पर मोल. Understand? That is the first colligative property, relative lowering in vapor pressure.